Hi! In front of me is Motorola One 5G Ace, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated leaf wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids. Following that, install this free app from Mad Scientist developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now mute the music by clicking on this icon at the bottom left corner. Then access settings by clicking on those three lines at the bottom right one, tapping on settings at the top, and choosing I accept in the pop-up. Following that, check out all of those settings. And when you're ready, click on the top right corner. Then select bottom one again, but this time choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Then click on Set Wallpaper at the bottom and pick one of those options, in my case, home screen only. So now when I swipe up from the bottom and click on Home button, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!